Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a promo code in Wolt. Wolt is a food delivery app that allows users to order food from their favorite restaurants and have it delivered to their doorstep. Using a promo code in Wolt can help you save money on your orders. To start, open the Wolt app on your device and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once you are logged in, browse through the available restaurants and select the one you want to order from. After selecting the restaurant, choose the items you want to order and add them to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the View Cart button. On the checkout page, you will see a field that says Enter Promo Code. This is where you enter the promo code you have. Type in the code correctly and click Apply. If the code is valid, you will see the discount applied to your order. Make sure to check the terms and conditions of the promo code to ensure it is valid for your order. Some promo codes may have restrictions such as minimum order value or specific restaurants. After applying the promo code, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then proceed to payment and complete your order. It is essential to note that promo codes can only be used once per user and may have an expiration date. Always check the Wolt website or app for available promo codes and their terms and conditions. By following these steps, you can easily use a promo code in Wolt and enjoy discounts on your food orders.